Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stacy.C. Hey guys, welcome back to Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stacy.C. So I'm on my way to work and I am very late. So I'm just going to do a little vloggy vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back. Guys, as you all can see in the beginning of this video, I was trying to do an intro, but it didn't work for one reason or another. I've been like trying to edit this video from like about 7 months or so ago now. But do that vlog here and I know I can't edit it. So I guess this is the final time I'm gonna try and then I'll post it. So this is me at Bashko trying to get some pot because my pot them all and whatnot, so I need some changes. So I'm trying to get some pot, so I look on the pot them and then decide to walk and come back. So this is me walking in the store. Does that? Guys, these art are so beautiful. Then let me look fun. It's nice, but it's small. Really. You put this also? 12,000 for this one? Like it in the car. 12,000. I don't know if I feel so. 12,000 odd.
I'm only that?
See the guys, 12,000 odd.
What you say?
But I 5 in one then say.
How are you?
Hello. Yes,
What's
so
the
far.
price for this?
Oh, the price isn't on it.
Is the price?
No, this is a code, but
A
right away
code?
got it.
What?
Yeah, you think it's a price?
Yes.
It's a code. Let me see. There's a code. You know what happened? They're supposed to put the price.
See there. 4,000 something.
5 in 1, right?
See there.
4,000. But they're very good pots.
Yeah, that's
No, but what I know, you're
You
looking
know.
for something a little less expensive.
I'm at school now. Somebody on the phone say yeah. But I have a couple months in what is it?
It's biggie, man. It's too big for my store.
You know, sometimes, if you don't mind saying, sometimes they double, they use like a 2-in-1 thing. You know, why I say that? You say it's deep, you can fry and then steam down. So it's like a cook pot as well as a frying pan. You just put a cover on it and you can cook it down. You say you have some frying pans that are just shallow. You have some frying pans that are just very shallow.
All of them small.
You know, see her first. You never see her first.
Exactly. Me there,
Jimmy says an assistant with it.
This one is 240.
Lady tell me, no, buy the pot here, so go bash go get one cover. So guys, I'm gonna take that 28-inch one here, but I'm not getting no cover for it, so I'm gonna try to get the cover somewhere else or buy it, come back and buy it. I'm gonna take that small one here. So a 20-inch. So I'm going to take one 20 centimeter, and this is the cover on the 20 centimeter. So I decide, so I'm going to go back and get the cover for the 28 centimeter, or go somewhere else to get the cover. Also buy a wooden spoon for the pot, because you know them pot here you can use certain thing in it. So I buy that. Really want to fork, but over the fork section the lady she give me attitude and whatnot, and them never have no fork. So I just take the 2 spoons I could have get, and yeah. So guys, I can't believe this is how my ear look under the headband wig. Thank God for the headband wig them, because I don't know how to manage, because these days it's like it is so hard for me to do my hair. Like I don't know, I go through ear depression right now. But anyways, I decide for wash, blow dry, and braid my hair in the same day. And if you know, when it comes to doing hair and whatnot, that process is a long process, because my hair thick and something. So if I pull out, comb out the hair, wash it with the shampoo. Normally what I do, forget the hair to detangle fast, but I put the conditioner in my ear, comb it out, plait it up, and leave it for a while. Then I wash it out. So after I wash it out, I just pull them out one by one and then blow dry it in sections. Listen, this process of doing a natural hair all by yourself is no joke, I'm telling you. So if you can do that by yourself, I'm like, big up to you. But if you can't, you have the money, can pay for you just to do it, yeah, do that. Cause so after I finish blow drying section by section, but I just pull out everything and just do a big blow dry. But this part I'm gonna start to know is the killer of everything. Like for part my hair, to make it look neat and nice. Just by me watching this now, I irritate me, because look at all the ear not even part properly. Look at that. But still, I gotta just continue with everything and just see how best I can part the front and make it look neat, because you know the rest of braid I go drop down and I'll run at the back on the part so good. So I gotta just do my best and do the part in the front neat as possible. Boy, I don't even know why that fly the bottom is straight throughout the day. So I never want to do my ear inside, but I just want to get some breeze and do it outside. So I have to actually carry a mirror out there, so that's the reason why you see me looking down in my lap, as I look on the mirror to see if the ear part good, because yes, you know it go. Decided to take a break from parting my hair and get the ear that I'm going to put in ready. So I use this twisted up Afro Kinky ear, and you have 3 bundles coming in it, and on each bundles you have 10 pieces of hair, and I only use 1 pack of hair to do this style, and I split them in 3 for each plait. I don't even know why I take up no self but me a clean off camera because the camera did that show perfectly fine already, but me just snuff it. What? Hello, moving was a phone. Anyways, guys, so yep. Hey. Okay. So good morning, guys. So yesterday I did my ear, but actually finished late in the night, so I guess I go style it now. I did not pain and I couldn't bother I couldn't find the bonnet put over my ears, so I just got a bit same way, so now we have to style it. Yeah. Alright, so I just use the little stacking foot so I just use a little stacking foot so I get ready to go on church service. Remember what the function I about, but some pasta something, I think the pasta for 29 or 39 years. Actually, she's a great in the community. I believe she was a social worker as well, so yeah. So going to that service today. I'm trying to style the hair. So it looks like it's supposed to be in front and whatnot, but ooh, it's not giving me that. Not give me that. Some more sense we can do. Good. Oh my God. Oh my God, let me just tell him now work for me at all. Guys, I'm not even telling now work for me at all. I'm stressed out. So I'm gonna work with it like this. Okay. If not, out of here. That will be better. Anyway, it's time to go. Friday night. Keep walking on, man. As per usual, I beat the 10-toe turbo. Walking to the people, DNT function will start 9 o'clock. What time now? Let me see, 9:42. They take a look at time and walk around.
Naked. I can say that I believe that based on the report that I am hearing, that God was with you with a pillar of cloud by day and a fire of cloud by night. I want to let you know that I want to congratulate you for the work that you have done. And I hear the love and the care that
we were the saints and
Right guys, so I'm back from the service and it was a great service. As you guys can see in the clips. So now I have some stuff that I thought of. This one again. Silver slipper. Alright, so them kind of look fake still because I'm stepping at the store and they look fake and whatnot. So I buy some got to be glue. Tresemme shampoo. Perfume. Actually, we used some of this already. Conditioner to the shampoo. Body scrub. And the brush here.